Hey there, morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So project today is renewing our headlights. It's kind of faded out on the RAV4. So let me show you. See that? See all the, what do you call it, discoloration, right? You can see. Moving over to the other side, you see it more right here. Yeah, all that yellowing, fading out, what have you. Alright, so we saw a video of this mechanic in the Philippines that has done restoration on his headlights, all by simply using a much more common product. It's not a restore product, you know, one of those restore products that you buy. Instead, he used, let's see what we got right here. Yes, we do. Brake fluid. Check that out. So that's what we're going to use. Regular brake fluid. Let's get started. Alright. Get our seat. So that's our product right here, the brake fluid. So I was showing you earlier. Get our rag going. Alright, right there. So I'm using the Mr. Clean eraser pad, making it much more easier to apply and what do you call this, rub on. So go ahead, put some on there. Not too much. We got some excess, we'll clean it up later. Actually, don't want to spread none of that stuff. Alright, go ahead. Oh yeah. Does work. Look at that. Check that out. Ooh, look at that. Took out the yellowing. Surely did work. Wow. I'm impressed. It does work. Put some more. Let's put some more. So clean the whole thing out. There you go. Not too much. Alright. Let's put it down. Definitely worked. Wow. That does work. How amazing is that? Whoa. See that? You can see that junk, the yellow junk we cleaned out of that headlight. Yeah. So it does work. Show you again. Here's our product, Prestone brake fluid. Give you a closer look at the result. Check that out. Major difference. Wow. Does work. Look how clear that lens is now. Amazing. Alright, let's do it on the other side too.